Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Mini Cooper convertible. 2015, 53,000 miles, got service history, convertible in the best colour. So what we're going to do first is take you around the outside of the car and then take you the inside. What a lovely car. So as you can see, it's got the fog lights, it's got the chrome pack, you take down the line of the car, it's got the lovely coloured contrast with the wheels. It's going to be serviced and they're going to have 12 months MOT on it. Taking in the wheels. Again, like no bumper scuffs or anything like that. It's just super. It's really a credit to the previous owner. Again, taking in the roof, nothing at all to worry about. Again, no bumper scuffs here. Down the line of the car, no trolley supermarket dents. Came in part exchange from a lovely lady. Again, as you can see, no marks here, anything like that. And again, where you normally get them, down here, nothing at all. So there you have the outside of the car. As I said, what I'll do is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a little while. Hi, it's Phil again, I'm back now. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. As you'd expect, it's absolutely lovely and clean, and all present and correct. Nothing crazy there whatsoever. 53,000 miles, 3 owners. Where are you going to go? So, driver's side door card. Obviously it's got the electric door mirrors. All the books are with it. 2 keys, multifunction steering wheel. As I said, 53,000 miles, 6-speed box, air conditioning, USB, got new AUX on it. It's got half leather, airbags are go-go as you'd expect. It's great when you can video a car with the roof off, so it's so easy. Inside the boot, again, look at nothing scratched there. Inside the liner there's nothing scratched, and it's all as it should be. All the shut lines and everything else. Passenger side door card. It's all lovely. Obviously electric windows all over the place. Switch the airbags off if you want. All the controls at the top for the roof and so on. Again, look at the seats as they should be, and again, this is where you see all the bolsters wear, and there's just no wear and tear on anything here. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please don't hesitate to give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Mini Cooper 1.6, 53,000 miles, 3 owners from new, best colour, best spec. There you go. Give us a call, give us a thumbs up on the video. Thanks for watching, hope to hear from you soon.